Welcome guys. So today I'm going to show you how uh, how a project is being prepared in Primavera P6. I'll just demonstrate with some simple activities, and I will assign the resources, and then I will make it as a baseline, and I will show you how you can update it in a very short video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just opening my Primavera P6. So now, as you can see, we have opened our P6. So first of all, we need to make a project. I guess whoever is using Primavera, or whoever is learning Primavera, they know how to create the enterprise, and then later on the OBS, that is organizational breakdown structures. So I will not go into the details. So I will just start with the preparing the project. So we can give any date, and we can assign the time also. So I will just, so this is my project. After project, you need to do one basic thing, that you need to prepare your calendars. I will not show you here how to make the calendar. It's just a simple task. Go to enterprise and calendars, and here there are some default calendars are there. You either you can choose from any one of them, or you can create your own project calendar by adding any of the default calendar, and then modifying it as per your requirement. Okay, so currently it's all 6 days per week, and each day 10 hours of working. Okay, so I will just assign this uh, to my project. So here already have assigned, and I will assign the physical percent complete type, because this is the common and most practical way of measuring the progress, physical progress. So okay, so we will go now to assigning the activities. So from here, on the right hand side corner, there is a plus sign. From there you can add the activities, or you can press insert on your keyboard, so the new activity will pop up. So we will just assign 4 activities. Okay, we will we will assign just 4 activities, and I will show you. Okay. So this is the 4 activities. Then you can have, actually when you, before that I will tell you that this, now I will link these activities, and I will run, the program on first of 08 select schedule. So these are the activities. I will hide this progress spotlight. So now these are our activities. Currently this template I was using to show the update for the client because of baseline and all. So I will get back to the normal classic layout. uh, okay, so when you open the Primavera you will see like this only the activity, then start and finish. Okay, so now what we will do, we will assign a cost resources here to get the budgeted cost of the project. Okay, so I will assign resources first. I will I will suggest you to make separate heading, assign resources for every project separately. That will be easy for you to select while making the reports. So we will assign this to material resources and it is the default calendar. Okay, so I will assign this cost resource to my activities. Okay, so here I have selected assign resources and cost. So now all the cost resources are here. See, now I will assign the cost, budgeted cost to my units, to my activities. There are two ways of assigning the cost to your uh, activities. Either you assign the cost directly to the budgeted cost. As you can see here, I will show you this budgeted cost. Okay, either you type it your activity cost directly here, or what you can do is when you assign your cost, you can define their price as 1, and budgeted units 1, so that default units per time here also 1, make it. So now our price is also 1. So whenever you assign your budgeted uh, units, like say I have a budgeted units of 100, so your cost will be calculated based on your units. Okay, or either you can use directly the cost here. So we'll keep it like this, and I will assign each activity as a budgeted unit 1000. So now you will see, I will show you that the budgeted cost as shown here, the budgeted total cost. I will show you all labor cost, material cost, and total cost. Okay, I will share that here. Here you can see that we have not assigned any expense. We haven't assigned any labor type of resource. We have assigned only the material type of resources, and we have put the cost there. So you can see the material cost is there, and the total cost will be the same. Okay, so now what we will do, we will assign we will we will assign this as a baseline, and then we will track it. Okay, so here we maintain baselines, add, save a current project. Okay, so it is initial plan, and then we will assign it as a baseline. Okay, so now if you want to check whether the baseline has been assigned or not, either you can add the columns from here, or make your layout separate, so that you can see it like this, which I prepared for one of my client. So now once you see, you can see the baseline project start and baseline project finish. Okay, and the baseline duration. You need, if you want to see the cost, if you want to see the cost, I will show you the cost also. Like this, I can like the total cost here. I will add it. I will add the actual cost also, so that in further we can see it. Okay, so like you can see, the budgeted cost is here. Either you can have it like the baseline project cost. I will show you that budgeted total cost rather than budgeted cost. Okay, so here you can see baseline project total cost is here. So now what we will do, we will just update it for a while, and then we will, yeah. So now as you can see, the project duration is from 1st of Feb to 20th of Feb. So I will update this project on 6th of February, and then we can see how the status was there. Okay, so what I will do, I will update it, and I assume that the first activity has been completed, so I will make it finished. Okay, so as soon as I make the finished, you can see that in actual cost, activity number 1 will show the completed, and it will show the completed. So now we will schedule it on 6th of February. Okay, I will make it on 7th, and you can see the schedule. Okay, so now you can see the baseline was here. Baseline finish of the project was 20th February, and with the current update, it is finishing on 21st of February. Okay, so and your baseline project cost is 4,000. Your actual cost is 1,000, and if you want to see the remaining, yeah, you can find that remaining total cost, add it here. You can see 3,000. Okay, so hope you all have understand the process, how it works, and how you have to uh, make the baseline, and how you can track it. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, any queries related to Primavera, anything, you can comment in the comment section, or you can contact me. Oh, okay guys, thanks a lot.